Kung inyo pong narinig ang kantang ito, marahil sa mga kaedad ko po o sa mga aming pong mga nakatatanda ay narinig nyo na po ang mga kataga ng kantang ito. Nasabi po ay madaming namamatay sa maling akala. And if we wish to at least go further to the lyrics of the song, para magkaroon o hindi mamatay sa maling akala, sinasabi din po nung kanta, basta wag kalimutang magdahan-dahan kung hindi sigurado sa kalalabasan ng binabalak mo. Madami ang namamatay sa maling akala. Huwag kalimutang magdahan-dahan sa mga gagawing kilos. And we saw and heard, my dear sisters and brothers, the fate of having a maling akala. In a beautiful sense, the priests and the prophets thought of Jeremiah of their own maling akala. Propeta ito. Sino ba itong taong ito para pagsalitaan kami na ayusin ang aming buhay? But then, their thought was then purified. It was then directed that Jeremiah is no fake prophet or a hearsay, but someone sent by God. He was then being led to a near-death experience. But their thought, their akala, was purified, and now they saw in Jeremiah that you are a nobody, but someone significant for our life. On the one hand, in our gospel today, we've heard how Herod had his akala as well, at talagang maling akala, dahil akala niya si Jesus ay si Juan Bautista. Hindi niya kilala si Jesus, o mas marahil hindi niya kilala ano ba ang pagkatao ni Juan Bautista. And indeed, because of a rampant decision of imprudence, of lacking discernment, he led John the Baptist to a painful death. Though a martyrdom for John the Baptist, nakita ho natin na namatay siya sa kanyang maling akala. And such is a beautiful lesson for us, my dear brothers and sisters. Para hindi tayo mamatay sa maling akala, Jesus would like to invite us. Prune our decisions. Be prudent in every thought that we have. Pray over the things that we have so that we can actuate and realize things orderly and even beautifully. Nais ko pong sabihin ito sa Tagalog, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa desisyon upang magkaroon ng kilos na naaayon. Huwag magdesisyon kapag sobrang saya, sobrang gali. Huwag pumili ng mga bagay na tila tinulak ka lamang ng mga kaibigan mo because everyone chose this. Indeed, we need prudence, discernment, prayer, and being wise to the actions, to the words, and even every gesture of love that we will show to our brothers and sisters. We let our saint today, Saint Alphonsus Mary Liguri, bless us and guide us, being known to be the master of moral theology. All our ways of prudence, discernment, and action are but moral. And our morality must always be intact with our intimacy with the Lord. Gone with the intimacy with the Lord, our prudence, our thoughts, and our actions will be nothing. Talagang mamamatay tayo sa maling akala. At upang hindi mangyari iyon, muli ko pong sasabihin, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa desisyon upang magkaroon ng kilos na naaayon.